In this tip of the day, let's take a look at the Align in X and Align in Y tools provided for dimensioning within OneCNC. In this example, I have just some simple wireframe geometry. Let's head over to the Command Manager, go into our Dimensions tools, and let's just start with some horizontal dimensions. I'm not going to pay too much attention to the location. I'm just selecting the lines and placing the dimension just anywhere that I feel, something like that. How about some vertical dimensions now? I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to grab both of those horizontal lines, grab these two horizontal lines, and grab these two horizontal lines. All right, now let's say that I'd like to line up all these top dimensions so that they're at the same Y value. Well, it's very easy to do. Just within your Command Manager, inside of your Dimensions tool, select the option called Align in Y. And here's what's going to happen. The very first dimension you select, that becomes the target. In other words, all the rest of the dimensions will line up to that. So I'm going to left click that. Now when I click this dimension, it lines up perfectly in Y to the first one. And when I left click this dimension, it lines up perfectly in Y to the first. Very, very easy. Now there's also an Align in X. Works exactly the same way. The first dimension you select, that becomes the target, and then every subsequent dimension you select gets lined up along the x-axis just like that. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button.